And on behalf of the class of 2022, I want to thank all of you for being here tonight. Thank you for being here and supporting us at the end of this journey by attending our graduation tonight. May we remember this night as a culmination of our rewarding experience for the rest of our lives and continue to strive for our next destination. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the evening.
So tonight we celebrate the culmination of 12 years of educational experience for the students. They'll receive their high school diplomas from the International School of Aruba, and then their next step is off to university, or some are starting their own businesses. There's a wide variety of things that they're heading off to. This evening, we have 15 students graduating this evening.
It is change, fear, and a little bit of excitement. I'm not sure if you all have seen the movie Princess Diaries, but my favorite quote from the movie has always been, "Courage is not the absence of fear, but rather the judgment that something is more important than fear itself." This is the bittersweet moment that every senior has been looking forward to ever since we started the school year. The moment where our courage is being put to the test, to find if we forget fear to start this amazing chapter in our lives. To our families, thank you for being here tonight, supporting us and loving us like always. Thank you for helping us with school and for shaping us into the people we are today. And to the rest of our guests, I hope you enjoyed this event that we made with lots of love. Please try not to cry too much because you'll make me cry too. Thank you.
Well, everybody has their own story as you go through. Everyone will receive a diploma, but the journey that it took for them to get there is different. Unless you walk in someone's shoes, you don't know what they've done to accomplish this. For some, it's like climbing the Hoy Bear, and it's a small mountain and they can do it. For some of our other students, they've overcome some very serious life challenges. This is Mount Everest for them, and so we're really proud of the entire class. But every journey, even though there's only 15 students, I think there's 15 different journeys for them to get to tonight.
I only had him in class very briefly, but every morning in homeroom he would greet me, ask how I'm doing, and genuinely cares about his own education and other people. And that's Aloy Makins Mendoza.
We have education is not a single accomplishment by just the student. It takes the partnership between the families, the staff, and the students to work together to get to this success. Not all students make it. I mean, a lot of people think a high school diploma is an easy accomplishment. Not necessarily. For a lot of students, for several of our students this evening, I'm as proud as their parent that they're on this stage with me so I can shake their hand and hand them a diploma. We have 3 special awards. We have one that's a longevity award where the student has been with ISA the longest, so they're part of our family for the longest time. One started in 2005, I believe. And then we have the Eagle Award, that's our mascot. That represents the student who has a good academic standing, but it's more of the character, the type of character and person that they are. They represent what we want a graduate from ISA to be. And then we have the Head of School Cup, which is the strongest academic student. And it's a combination. You still have to have good character. If you're not of good character, you don't receive any awards. But the Head of School Award is we don't use a valedictorian or salutatorian and things like that, but the Head of School Cup is the top academician that represents what an ISA graduate should be.
I see that our teachers cannot hide their excitement that our class is finally leaving. I know that we've been hard to manage as a class, but to our credit, we have made your jobs much more exciting. Nothing came easy to our class. During these last few years, instead of going out and having fun with friends and family, we had to stay indoors due to COVID. But despite all these challenges, each and every one of us has managed to make the most out of it.
8 hours a day in school, 180 days a year. That is a total of 1,440 hours a year. Through the span of 12 years, that is 17,280 hours. See, I learned how to multiply. Thank you, Mr. Ross.
This is so exciting to be here. I don't know. I can't wait. We're going to see what happens. Well, first with this senior class, anything could happen. Okay, so even though we think we know what's going to happen, there are a lot of characters in this class. But I am just so proud and to be able to shake their hand and hand them a diploma this evening. There are some personal stories that are incredible in this particular class.
Turner.